welcome you. I am grateful for you to take the time to share with me so that we can both be learning some things together. Have you had the circle? You haven't had any. With the rectangle, you've had some, and put your annotated item in one of those things.
And, for example, a student answers a question, there's a rejoicing in the fact that they have enough interest to ask the question.
When I hear the word dumb question, or I hear the word dumb in a statement like that, I often reflect on myself and I project that onto me as if, oh boy, I wonder if he's going to think or she's going to think.
You don't put somebody down, or you don't use words that are put down. What else would you see from the teacher or the trainer and the individual? This is extremely important when you're trying to decide what you're going to teach. This is called Bloom's taxonomy, and a taxonomy is just a chart. Something I might do with this bottle as an objective.
How many meal can you construct with this item?
Okay. Now you've written an objective. We are going to practice hard. What did you pick?
I chose a water bottle. Today I'm going to take you through a 6-step process drinking water from a bottle. Again, how many steps will that be? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 steps. Can you show me 6 fingers?
Good.
Fantastic. Step 1 was we grabbed the water bottle with our preferred hand to hold it with. Step 2 was to grab the top of the cap. And step 3, I want you to say this saying with me. Righty tighty.
Righty tighty.
Lefty loosey.
Lefty loosey.
And once it's loose, you should be able to remove the cap. Place the cap down on the table. That is step 5. Step 6, bring the water bottle to your mouth and enjoy the refreshing drink.
Thank you. Let me tell you what I've gained from this. I have been very lonely in the last month. I have great grandchildren I have 3 of them that caught COVID, and I've had to deal with that. My daughter in Rhode Island is having major back surgery. There's just been a lot of things that seem to just pile one on top of the other. And I was praying for something that would come along and raise my spirits. And you all did that. Thank you for being there for me and giving me the opportunity to share my talent and my skill. And I welcome you to a great rest of the week and getting ready for your presentation. And I'll see you November 23rd.